Hello. I like try to do like a super villain thing, but that's like my third time taking it, and then it's just not coming out as how I want it to. So let's just pretend that didn't happen at all and just kind of like move on with it. Hey guys, my name is Kai, and in this video I'll be building my very own PC, and I guess gaming PC because I use it mostly for games, but like it's multi-purpose. I've always wanted my own PC for as long as I can remember, but you know, I just never had like the money or the time to, and I believe collecting all of the parts for my PC took over a month or so, and it was just kind of like trying to find the right time to build everything and just like trying to find the parts that I needed. So all of the parts that I have, they're displayed in the video, but they're also going to be linked down below with my PC parts picker. I also made another video of me just creating my whole setup, like my bed, my desk, like getting my monitor and my microphone, and like just everything. So if that's something that you're also interested in seeing, I believe by the time that I post this video, I will have finished editing it and then post the building setup video. So it should be down below in the link by now. So if that's something that interests you again, then just go ahead and click it, check it out after you're done with this video. And yeah, let me just stop rambling. Let's just get into it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. This was trial and error. I tried my hardest, and I think it's okay for this being my first ever build. So yeah, and I also just want to shout out to my friend who helped me build it. Could not have done it without her. Like, thank you. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so at this part, I was actually like gonna pee myself because like I know people say to like put extra pressure, but I felt like I was putting too much pressure. Like you can kind of see me struggle, and I didn't hear the click noise, but like I go back and I fix this, but like it isn't inputted perfectly here. It's just because I was just so afraid of like putting too much pressure that I might break the motherboard, because like it was like starting to bend and like be flimsy. So I was just like really scared. So yeah, you can see me like take it out, and I'm like, am I putting this in right? And just like really hoping that I'm not damaging anything. But yeah, trial and error. Okay, so at this point, my friend had finally came over. She was done with school, so she came over to help me. I was super tired. Like, I put my bonnet on. It was that serious. But that fan configuration alone took me like 1.5 hours by myself. And I kid you not, this took us 2 hours to do, to try and figure out like where all the cables go, and like trying to figure out the RGB fan configuration for my liquid cooler. And oh my god, just thinking about how long it took like just gives me like makes me so itchy. But it was really fun, and I'm glad that she was able to help me because I could not have done that by myself. So thank you, Tanya, if you're watching this. That is all for today's video. I actually have like a really little, like just like a tiny funny story that I want us to tell. So when we were actually like plugging it in to see if it was working, on the Lian Li case, there's actually like a LED button that you can use to change the LED color, but it looks so similar to the power button. And we're just like, at this point we were so tired. It was like 11 p.m. So we were clicking the LED button instead of the power button, and we were just so distraught because we're like, why is the PC not turning on? We took the whole case off again just to like check if we did something wrong. And then I like look and I'm like, wait, isn't this the power button? And then we click it, and then the PC turns on at that video that you saw like earlier. And it was just like so hilarious, but I was just like like it was just so distressing because like for 15 minutes we were just like looking through, like, did we do something wrong here, you know, just trying to go to sleep. But yeah, it was such a fun experience, and I'm so in love with this PC. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, PC parts are down below in the PC part list is down below in the description, and I should have the setup video soon up and running. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.